there has to be a party which must have won one seat at that point in time for the independent return candidates to join it, because only then they will be able to join parliamentary party of that party under clause 2 of 63.
Clear है कि who may duly join such political party.
Yes.
Such relates to D. The party at least won one seat.
So if you read these two in harmony,
And then take.
you come to this conclusion. My submission is that you come to this conclusion that it must have won one seat at least for the purposes of proviso to paragraph D also.
So basically you're saying that unless that political party has a parliamentary party presence,
Or
the
could-
or
yes.
will have a parliamentary
Yes.
presence, you cannot join.
Yes. Now I come to the last point, sir. Last point. And this point now, this submission now relates to what you have before you. A political party, the Sunni Ittihad Council, which has come before your lordships, which was an applicant before the Election Commission, had agitated that decision of Election Commission before the Learned Peshawar High Court, and aggrieved of the judgment of the Learned Peshawar High Court has come before you.
Factually, I mean, there was a notification, is that correct? Does it exist where the ECP declared them as a parliamentary party?
I'm not aware of it.
It was
whether
referred
is-
by the other side, there's a
What
notification.
I know is that they have there is a parliamentary party, they have formed a parliamentary party,
That's
there
why
is a
the
parliamentary
question,
leader
the
also.
earlier question was that there is no provision that I found which ECP declares anybody as a parliamentary party. Or I don't know where is the provision which says you are a parliamentary party.
No, it's
Nobody does that exercise for you.
I would.
So that notification which they referred to from ECP, I mean,
There are two factors, sir.
what your position is.
Sorry, I'm now confused. Earlier you had said a political party with some membership in the National Assembly automatically transforms into...
That's what I'm saying now also.
Without, okay, fine, if somebody wants to issue a notification, do so, but it's meaningless. Because it's the act itself which renders it. So now you're saying something different.
No, I'm not saying. I'm saying that this is what I have read in the papers. I'm not saying that
तो अगर
whether
किसी
it's
ने
a
कर भी दिया
constitutionally
तो
correct position
कर
or
But
not.
usko, can you get that out of the way, because Faisal
कर भी दिया तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता।
Sahab referred to a notification on the record. So we just want to understand कि वो notification कहाँ से आ गई फिर?
वो अपने रिबटल में बता देंगे ये।
नहीं, उन्होंने तो बताया, आपने बताना है।
नहीं, मैं तो देख रहा हूँ clause 2 of 63A के नीचे कि वो क्या हो
So
सकता है
वो
क्या नहीं हो
notification
सकता।
doesn't exist, or what is that notification issued?
आज का स्टेटस क्या है ना? That's what
आज
we're
का
asking
status-
you कि आज का स्टेट are they a parliamentary party or
तो
not?
कहाँ
If
है?
somebody has notified them as a parliamentary
Somebody
party,
तो नहीं will notify
How
them.
can they? There is no such
The
provision.
ECP
नहीं, parliamentary party.
Even if there is, would it have any consequence?
देख लेते हैं।
It's like the
No
Supreme,
constitutional
it's like Supreme
consequence.
Court
Why would it not have
notifying you
consequence?
as the Attorney
No
General of
constitutional
Pakistan.
It would have presence in parliament as a parliamentary party. Why is it having no consequence?
No, my submission, your ladyship, is that clause 2, there is a specific requirement under clause 2. What will have to be seen is that whether there was any candidate or nominee of Sunni Ittihad Council who returned on the party ticket first to constitute that parliamentary party and then the independents joining that parliamentary party. That is how it
Mr.
goes.
Mansoor,
चलें, आगे चलें।
एक सेकंड ये notification देख लें, so get that out of the way, because that's bothering.
CMA 5944 of 2024.
CMA 59.
44 of 2024. I'll show your lordship two documents. 89 5944 of 2024. This is a document, page 7, sir.
9. लो इधर निकाल दें 5944.
5944.
पढ़ लीजिए, please.
Sir. So this is the document of the
Read it,
national.
please.
Ji sir. Ji
What's
sir.
the page?
Page 7, my lady.
Take forever to find it, just read it out.
ये
So
नहीं।
this is a document of the National Assembly Secretariat. It says the Sunni Ittihad Council has nominated Ms. Sartaj Gul, member National Assembly of Pakistan, NA 185, as the parliamentary leader of the SIC Sunni Ittihad Council in the National Assembly with immediate effect.
So this is a business of National Assembly.
मैं अब आपको इलेक्शन कमीशन का भी दिखा रहा हूँ। ये था नेशनल असेंबली सेक्रेटेरिएट ने रिकॉग्नाइज किया। अगर आप सबको मिल गया है पेज 7, तो मैं इलेक्शन कमीशन का भी दिखा देता हूँ।
वो पढ़ दीजिए ना।
जी सर।
किस तारीख का है वो?
जी ये मेरी मेन जो
मिल नहीं रही, just can
जी सर, ये पेज 168 पे है इन द मेन अपील, सिविल अपील 333 of 2024. दिस इज डेट, जी सर 168 योर लॉर्डशिप।
333 भी देखा हमने,
जी
333।
पेज 168
ये पढ़ दें।
जी। This is-
पार्टी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज में जिन्होंने इंडिपेंडेंट ने ज्वाइन किया वो चीज है ये।
जी 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 25th April 2024, provision of list of independent returned candidates in the National Assembly who joined different political parties and party position. Dear sir, I am directed to refer to your letter number so-and-so dated so-and-so on the captioned subject and to send herewith list of returned candidates in the National Assembly along with their party affiliation and party position as requested. If your lordships turn to the next page, wherever members are given, it gives their affiliation. And if your lordship want the election commission's chart, which specifies how many seats Sunni Ittihad Council has, it is at page 194.
That was the page, 194.
आप ऐसे करें, जो ऊपर है उसको जरा पढ़ लें।
जी
What does
सर,
it say?
जी सर, जी सर।
You see, name, number, serial number, name of returned candidate,
जी।
party affiliation.
जी जी जी
These are party affiliation.
जी जी जी। और उसके बाद नेशनल असेंबली सेक्रेटेरिएट का मैंने आपको बताया कि they have also recognized one of the members of the Sunni Ittihad Council.
You haven't responded. What does this party affiliation refer to?
ये कमीशन ने अपनी कंसाइज स्टेटमेंट में भी जमा करवाया है कि वेयर
So we've seen now the two documents. These are the two documents.
अगर मैं एक डॉक्यूमेंट और दिखा दूं इस पे,
जी, because he's arguing, जी।
concise statement of the election commission, CMA 5840 of 2024, at page 75,
CMA?
CMA 5840 of 2024, at page 75 onwards, the election commission in their concise statement have also taken the position that all these independents are no longer independents, they are part of the Sunni Ittihad Council.
Page?
Page 75, sir.
So for the purpose of 63A2, they are parliamentary party.
Part 2.
सर मैं उस हद तक इलेक्शन कमीशन की हद तक तो नहीं जाऊंगा।
वैसे आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं, वो पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी है या नहीं?
They are parliamentary party, and even in those terms, although that question is not here, what the Attorney General is saying is a very different position. He is saying that the election.
But Mr. Attorney General, these documents open perhaps a new chain of thought, because what is the position of the Election Commission to see whether someone is or is not a member of a political party or an independent? That, I think, ends when the assembly takes over. And then it becomes a matter because that is really post-election, right? Election Commission is only interested with elections. So if the Election Commission is saying that our record is showing that these people are Sunni, what is the name of this? Sunni Ittihad Council. That surely is a point in time prior to that, right? And from the Constitution, the only time prior to that is paragraph D. So if in Election Commission is saying, because anything that happens within the House, we are told no one can look at that, least of all the Election Commission. That's for the Secretariat, Speaker and other people to decide. So the Election Commission is now saying, according to this record that has been shown to us, as per our record, these are people who are Sunni Ittihad Council and members of that. Surely, insofar as Election Commission is concerned, is relatable only to paragraph D. Because anything that happens once the House is constituted, that's when Secretariat and Speaker to look at. So is not the Election Commission contradicting itself now when it says that for purpose of paragraph D, we will not recognize SIC to be a political party?